A balanced workplace is better for all, for co-workers, consumers, and business. At Ikea, we strive for a 50-50 gender balance. We are on the way. Today, 47% of our workforce is female. We believe in equal opportunities. We aren't afraid to challenge the norm. We want to create a workplace where equality is cultivated, celebrated. Here trends aren't followed, they are created. We embrace our culture and values in every meeting and greeting space. We want to create a workplace where equality really thrives and goes from an idea to reality. We want a workplace where co-workers are inspired, together with our communities, to create a better life in small everyday ways. We believe in endless possibilities and in creating a better everyday life. At Ikea, equality works better. We nurture it and grow with it.